Hello everyone, welcome back to the OpenShift BootCamp series. In this video, you will learn about Kubernetes operators, custom resource definition or CRD, and how to use operators in OpenShift. Please check the OpenShift BootCamp playlist if you missed any of the videos. As per documentation, an operator is a method of packaging, deploying, and managing Kubernetes-native application. Let us explore something in detail. You need to deploy an application in OpenShift or Kubernetes. Then you need to know how to deploy your application to the Kubernetes or OpenShift cluster. Then how to scale the application by creating multiple replicas based on application type. Also, you need to know how to do other tasks like recovering, backup, or other upgrade operations. This will become complicated when you want to deploy complex stateful applications which have multi-replica database ports or integrations. And you have to do the same work when you deploy to another OpenShift cluster or another project. What if you can automate these operations using some software, and this software can do all the above tasks automatically? So all these manual operations can be automated using operators. Yes, instead of users deploy and maintain the applications, operators will take care of that. You have your default objects and resources in Kubernetes like deployments, pods, config maps, secrets, persistent volumes, services, etc. Operators are extensions to the Kubernetes. Operators will help to create new object types in Kubernetes using custom resource definition or CRD. Using the operators, you can install the application without worry, as the operators will take care of all complex configurations and operations. Operator Hub is the web interface to discover, publish, and use operators. You can find a lot of operators contributed by the industry experts, community, and other vendors. You can also use operators from the Red Hat marketplace. You can develop your own Kubernetes operators using Operator Framework, which is an open source toolkit to design, develop, maintain, and manage Kubernetes operators and applications. That's all for the OpenShift operator overview. Stay tuned for upcoming OpenShift Bootcamp videos and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get all the latest videos and other courses. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another video.